How to keep a strapless bra up. If you have ever had to discreetly wrestle a strapless bra back into place while carrying on a formal, serious conversation, this is for you. Here are some tips and tricks to keep a strapless bra up. Use double-sided fashion tape. If you're not confident about your strapless bra staying up, use double-sided fashion tape on the inside of the top of your strapless bra. It is gentle with your skin and gives you the confidence to move freely. Take advantage of convertible bra straps. Instead of whipping the straps off your convertible bra, use them instead. Unclip one side, wrap it around your bra front, and clip it to the hook of the other strap. Unclip that other side and repeat. That tightens the top and holds your now strapless bra in place. Pin it from the inside. If your clothing is form-fitting enough, try safety pinning the bra to your top or dress from the inside. That will keep your bra in place, and the dress should support it. Choose wide bands. A wide underband for your strapless bra provides more support not just to your bust but to the bra itself. It doesn't slip that easily, and it doesn't move around. This makes it comfortable and practical. Choose adhesive or silicone lining. The silicone works like a no-slip pad. It keeps your strapless bra in place. Adhesive lining plays the same role as double-sided fashion tape, or vice versa. Just check the adhesive or silicone to make sure it's nothing you are allergic to. Choose seamless bandeau styles. A seamless bandeau is shaped much like a sports bra, wide and made to stay up. Because it does not mold around your bust, there's much less chance of it slipping off. Seamless also shows much less, so no one will notice a bit of slipping. Use whatever works best for you, and knock them all out. You got this.